How funky is that? Well, that was all done by AI. We are going to create that today. Let's go. First of all, go to Chat-GPT and ask, please give me song lyrics of a new unknown to mankind funk song. Perfect. Now copy the lyrics and go to Suno. Here we can generate any music we like for free. Go to Create. And now add the lyrics here. Now for the style of music, you could ask Chat-GPT or just write funk, guitar, drums, synths. Now add the song title and then press Create. And it is super fast because after only 10 seconds we can already listen to the first of 2 song generations.
Got my feet down low, feel the bassline groove. Step into the rhythm, let your body move. City lights are shining, but the funk's so deep. Dripping in the motion, can't help but keep the beat. Ooh, it's in my bones.
Okay, nice. Let's listen to the second one.
Feel the bassline groove. Step into the rhythm, let your body move. City lights are shining, but the funk's so deep. Dripping in the motion, can't help but keep the beat. Ooh, it's in my bones, can't leave it alone. When the groove gets tight, we be dancing all night. Yeah, we're funky from the ground up. Ain't no.
Okay, I like this one way better. Let's download it. Now we want to generate an AI image for this song. So let's ask Chat-GPT for the image prompt like this. Please give me an image prompt in text form that perfectly represents this song. Now copy this prompt and generate it with Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a free-to-use AI image generator where you get daily 150 credits. Set the aspect ratio to widescreen and now generate the image. This will take around 20 seconds. Now download the image. And I tried to make videos from it, but oh boy, the generation times these days are inhumane. Okay, and now open a new CapCut project. Drop both the audio and image in there. Add a cool effect if you think it helps. Now we are going to captions and now generate the auto lyrics. Choose a nice template and make it bigger. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your funk songs with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Down low, feel the bassline groove. Step into the rhythm, let your body move. City lights are shining, but the funk's so deep. Dripping in the motion, can't help but keep the beat. Ooh, it's in my bones, can't leave it alone. When the groove gets tight, we be dancing all night. Yeah, we're funky from the ground up, ain't no slowing down. What? Bass is pumping louder, gotta feel it now. Yeah, funky from the ground up, grooving all around. What? Come on, shake your soul up, let's break it down. Brass hits hard and the key's so sweet. Sweat drips slow, but we stay on beat. Gotta keep it loose, gotta let it shine. Feel that funk, it's electric divine. Ooh, it's in my bones, can't leave it alone. When the groove gets tight, we be dancing all night. Guitar so fine, feel that pocket, lock it tight. Sweat it out, don't stop the jam. Funky love across the land. We keep it funky, funky, never gonna stop. The rhythm in your heartbeat, it's taking us to the top.